Bye, kids.
Love
you guys.
Love you guys.
Love you.
We will.
Avionics breakers. Breakers are all good. Good. Yours are good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mixture rich, carpet cold. Master. Clear it.
San Luis Obispo Airport, 8 is Foxtrot 1856 Zulu, wind 330 at Niner, visibility 10, sky conditions 2,400 scattered, temperature 12, dew point 07, altimeter 3016. GPS approach, landing and departing runway 29 in use. Central aircraft use caution for increased bird activity in the immediate vicinity of San Luis Obispo Airport. Advise initial contact, you have Foxtrot.
Look at them. Oh, here comes Christopher.
Should we get another hug? Don't trip.
Take care of my baby girl.
Of course.
Love you.
That was nice.
That was really nice. Thanks, honey.
San Luis ground, Cessna 8091 Lima at the November site with Foxtrot ready to taxi.
Number 80901 Lima, San Luis ground 0929er, taxi to Alpha.
29er taxi to Alpha. Received.
91 Lima.
91 Lima.
Not received. 91 Lima. Okay, then you go there. He's so dad. All right, turn right. And then turn left.
Surprised he's not following us out here on the bike.
Yeah, he always when I take off on the airlines, he'll always ride his bike next to the airlines. Because that's what you do.
Very cute.
There we go.
Alright, run up belts, harnesses, doors, windows, flight controls. All the way up, all the way down. Mixture is rich. Throttle 1700.
0929er.
Bravo to Bravo 3. No drop. Electronic ignition. Alternator. Charging. Trim is set. Flaps are all the way up. Carpet on.
Continue Alpha 3, Alpha to park.
Drop of 100.
Delay,
Throttle idle.
Bravo 3 to Alpha.
Idles. Carpet off. Back to 1,000. San Luis Tower, Cessna 809 Lima, holding short runway 29 for left downwind departure, runway Lima.
I told you you're not going to need me at the end of this.
November 901 Lima, roger, traffic says, correction, a helicopter at a 1.5 mile left base, runway 29er, cleared for takeoff, wind 330 at 9er, and say direction of flight.
Left downwind departure.
Left downwind departure, traffic inside also, Lima.
November 1, correction, 901 Lima, roger. Left downwind departure approved and just acknowledge takeoff clearance.
Yep. 29 clear for takeoff.
29 clear for takeoff, thank you, sir. Show me how to do a mean wing rock.
Yeah, sure will.
Ready, Bug?
Ready, big.
Okay.
Things are green.
Green. We're at 40. She wants to go.
Rotate. Do it. Go right. Go left. Go right. Go left. Alright.
A lot nicer flying through this one. It's not pitch black.
Yeah, dude. Welcome back. My name is Carlee. This is Jessie.
Yo.
I'm a pilot, flight instructor, and fiance to this cute boy who we're teaching how to fly.
I'm not a pilot
But he's so cute.
or a flight instructor.
He's a student pilot. we just departed from Slow. It's beautiful. We are 3,000 miles away from where we live. So we're headed back there. We came into town for the holiday for Christmas, and now we're cruising on home. So if you didn't see our flights out, feel free to check those out. But now we are flying west to east, so it's gonna be a hell of a lot faster. We're already going 73 knots.
This is insane. That's faster than the average speed we've flown the entire way here.
In the climb.
This is beautiful.
Really pretty.
Oh, look at that coast.
So this is the last time we'll see the Pacific, and then our next ocean will be, well, we're kind of maybe gonna go to Florida, but then our next ocean after that will be the Atlantic.
Had a good trip.
I had a really good trip.
Really happy we stayed for as long as we did.
Me too.
Maybe we take the airlines next time.
We're gonna take first class.
We definitely should
We're
take
taking first class. We're just going to the Phoenix area tonight, and then the next day, hopefully, like Keyfield, Mississippi?
Keybros.
Yeah, the Keybros.
Keyfield. What's special about Keyfield?
That is where they invented aerial refueling. It was
First
really
one
cool.
took place, and it was 27 days.
Something like that.
Zipped around for 27 days.
Keybros did it.
Yeah.
We're gonna head straight to New Jersey if the weather's good, and if it's not, then we're gonna bang right and go to Florida for a sec. So stay tuned to find out where we go, because we don't know either. 101! 100.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We should switch to single tank operations because we're over 5,000 feet.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay.
Right first. Right.
You set a timer?
Correct.
Gallons
Oh,
per
104 knots.
104 knots at 5.8 gallons per hour.
Ripping. I put him in timeout. Bye, Jesse. We're flying over Van Nuys, and last time we were here, we couldn't get the fuel started. It was 9 at night. We had flown so many hours. It was a bummer. This time is going way better. You can see downtown LA. And we're headed for the Banning Pass.
November 809, 1 Lima, SoCal approach, the Palm Springs altimeter 2998.
2998? 9 What does that mean?
So Jesse just asked what the thermal field elevation is, and it's minus 144.
What are the winds?
Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation. 0011 Zulu.
310 at 6.
Okay.
I think I see it out there.
The little tan spot.
Yeah.
Thermal traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, 10 miles to the north, inbound runway
30.
30.
Let's listen to the winds again.
029er Zulu. Wind 310 at 05. Sky condition
35.
clear. Temperature
35?
missing.
Yeah.
Dew point missing.
So we'll under left downwind 35. You see the airport?
Yeah.
Cool.
Here's the polo fields. This is all of Coachella. Danyara is somewhere right here.
Oh, there's the...
Oh shit, it's right here, bug. Literally right here. Thermal traffic, Cessna 8091 Lima, entering a left downwind runway 35. Thermal traffic.
How's your speed? How's your altitude?
Going down further. Speed is getting faster, so pull power at 900 feet.
Do you see the VOR now?
I see the VOR.
I love a VOR. And we need to go all the way over here so you can land kind of like long.
Okay.
Land beyond the 1,000-foot markers.
So I
Which
can
means
introduce
I would,
flaps?
yeah. Let's introduce flaps. You're in flaps
Below,
range.
right?
And then turn base.
10%?
Whenever, yeah.
Thermal traffic, Cessna 809 on base, runway 35, thermal traffic.
Good job, Jesse. We see our runway?
Yeah.
I want you to land halfway down.
Yep. More flaps?
Yep. Flaps down, nose down, continue your descent, and then make sure you're down. All the way out, I promise. And then just keep this sight picture.
More flaps?
I'll give you 10% more. Push through them.
Okay.
Watch your speed.
Yep.
Bring your nose up a tiny bit. Good, right here. And then just aim like halfway down the runway. Tiny bit high. Good. Good. Back in the game.
Why were we dropping so quickly? Because I pulled up?
Just gone slow. Yeah, you leveled out a little bit high.
Okay, I felt like that.
Where were you looking? Were you looking at the ground or the end
I
of the
was
runway?
looking at the end of the runway, trying to make sure that I was okay and trying to look at the ground so I didn't scare myself with... Oh, yeah, I guess I don't need to pull back anymore.
You're good. Good job.
I just started breathing again.
I know.
Thermal traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, off runway 35, thermal.
Clear or whatever.
So off runway is no good?
Off runway is fine, but you could say clear. F35.
I was taught to never say clear in the Air Force and Fire Department, so that nobody ever confused us with another plane saying they were clear.
Oh, you're in an airplane though.
I know. I just thought about that now. I was like, that's why I never say clear. I was told to never say clear. I can't believe we landed here in your plane.
Now?
Crazy. Yeah,
Yeah. We go where we want.
I know. It's crazy. United States Air Force, Crash 10. That's what I used to drive.
That's cute.
Yeah. That is a P-26.
It has big tires.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Love you.
Love you. Good landing. You're doing really well. Back in the game. Shaking off the rust of the week.
I feel like a week.
Let's get gas. Let's go.
Seatbelt is
I'm
on.
halfway out the plane with mine off.
Carlee's arc,
Keep
everybody.
Mixture all in, carb heat, cold, throttle, 1/8 inch in, master on, beacon on, no prime, ignition. Cool.
Clear it.
Alright, then.
Their observation 0100 Zulu. Wind 310 at 07. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature missing. Dew point missing. Altimeter 29er8.
Final is clear. Thermal traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, parting runway 35, thermal traffic.
Here we go.
Brain fart.
It's hard, this talking
Well, because
stuff.
I'm not departing yet.
Yeah, you
so,
are.
but I'm not actively. I'm going over to depart. So like in my head.
Right, but you're not lining up. You're simply departing.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess so. Oh, negative 100. Look at that. Okay, off the brakes. Everything's good. Everything's green.
Yep.
And we're at 60. Starting to go. Wants to go.
Keep that left wing down.
Yep.
Good job. Good work.
Everything's good.
Everything's
green.
great. Green before leaving the airport environment. No concerns.
Goodbye, Palm Springs. Thermal traffic, Cessna 91 Lima, right downwind departure, runway 35. Thermal traffic.
Okay. To our friends on the not the telephones. Well, you maybe are on a telephone. To our internet friends, you're not going to see us on this flight because it's nighttime. Where are we? Can we even see us now? No, you can't even see us now. You'll hear us when we land. We're like 2 hours from Phoenix. We're going to go to Phoenix, stay at a friend's, and then we are headed east again tomorrow. That'll probably be a separate video, but we'll see you when we're landing in Phoenix.
3,900.
This is so exciting.
Southern Tower Information Oscar 0254 Zulu, wind variable at 3, temperature 160.7, altimeter 2997, visual approach landing departing runway 22 left and right in use, advise contact. You have Oscar.
I have Oscar. See the beacon.
Number 8091 Lima Falcon Tower, make left traffic for runway 22 left and remain clear of everybody's airspace.
Left traffic, 22 left,
Well
not on
done.
Lima. At 2,400.
Cool. That's traffic pattern altitude.
That's what my hope was.
You're gonna go 04.
Governor 91 Lima, number 1 runway 22 left, clear to land.
91 Lima. Number 1, 22 left, clear to land. About 2,000 feet, is that okay?
Yeah. 600
Kinda
feet above the runway. Go wings level right here. Good, right on that heading bug. Keep that nose coming down. Let's add more flaps. You're a little high. Work a little bit of power out.
All are white.
Yeah, you can take all your power out. You'd make it. End of the runway.
At the end of the run. I feel like we came down
Hold it
super
up.
fast.
No, you're good. Hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. Good!
Wheeling.
Really? Good job, Jesse.
Taxiway right here.
Joe. That feels like Joe.
Yeah.
He's blinking. We have Joe. Thank God. That was a good landing.
Thanks. Did a wheelie. That was my first airplane wheelie.
That was good, honey. That was really good. And now we're in
Christopher would be
Arizona.
proud.
Christopher would be proud. Yeah, stay tuned to see where we end up tomorrow, but here's day one of heading back east again. In the heart of winter in our little 172. Okay, so go to the left and then swing right. Keep going, keep going.
Very trusting.
Dr. Tower, 775 Lima Alpha.
Good job, kiddo. Wow.
I don't know why we still can't get that. Love you.
Love you.